Amazon sellers leverage various technologies to launch, manage, and grow their businesses. While some sellers rely exclusively on Seller Central's built-in tools for listing, pricing, and inventory management, others enhance their operations through third-party applications. These specialized apps provide advanced functionality to streamline and scale business operations, similar to how smartphone apps complete specific tasks like restaurant reviews or weather checks. Amazon maintains a comprehensive catalog of approved applications in the Selling Partner App Store, accessible at sellercentral.amazon.com/selling-partner-app store. This centralized marketplace houses vetted applications that integrate with your selling operations. To navigate the App Store, select an app category from the home page or use the search functionality to locate specific applications by name. Each app's detail page provides comprehensive information about features, functionality, and developer contact details for quick access and implementation. Every application in the Selling Partner App Store undergoes Amazon's review and authorization process. The developers publishing these applications are similarly vetted by Amazon, ensuring quality and reliability. Applications access your selling data through secure API services. The current Selling Partner API, SP API, or the legacy Marketplace Web Services, Amazon MWS. Third-party pricing applications offer distinct advantages over standard Seller Central tools. These applications can automate pricing with reduced manual effort, helping maintain competitive positioning in the marketplace. Advanced pricing criteria options, such as fulfillment method-based pricing, provide greater flexibility in pricing strategies. Specialized scheduling features allow synchronization with major shopping events like Prime Day, optimizing revenue during high-traffic periods. These enhanced capabilities enable more sophisticated pricing approaches than basic automation tools. To demonstrate the range of available pricing solutions, consider 3 applications from the Selling Partner App Store: Informed.co, Reprice-It, and Seller Engine. These examples illustrate different approaches to pricing automation without constituting Amazon recommendations. Informed.co provides both predefined and customizable pricing rules for comprehensive pricing control. Create rules that price products based on either FBA or MFN seller offers, or optimize pricing when no featured offer exists for a product. The application handles scenarios where you're the sole seller for a particular ASIN. The platform includes pricing data visualization and filtering capabilities. View profits, margins, and costs associated with each product to identify high-performing and underperforming listings quickly. Reprice-It offers flexible pricing rules and options tailored to different product conditions. Create specific rules for new or used items, or exclude individual products from broader inventory rules. The application supports pricing schedules aligned with Amazon shopping events for strategic pricing during peak periods. Detailed reporting features help track pricing history fluctuations, providing insights into pricing performance and market dynamics. Seller Engine focuses on real-time pricing optimization rather than standard 10 to 15-minute update intervals. The application calculates minimum prices using associated costs and fees, with options to add minimum markup percentages to ensure profitability. Cross-checking capabilities help price ASINs effectively. When you're the only seller for a product, Seller Engine identifies similar listings to inform pricing strategy development. These 3 applications represent a small sample of available pricing solutions in the Selling Partner App Store. To discover additional pricing applications, navigate to the Automated Pricing category on the App Store homepage. Use available filters to search by specific programs, star ratings, supported languages, or marketplace compatibility. Third-party pricing applications provide powerful tools to enhance your Amazon selling operations beyond basic Seller Central functionality. Explore the Selling Partner App Store to find applications that match your specific pricing needs and business requirements. Consider investigating other app categories that might streamline additional aspects of your selling operations. Visit sellercentral.amazon.com/selling-partner-app store to begin exploring these valuable business tools and optimize your pricing strategy today.